Good morning, third grade. Miss Fogelman here for your math lesson. So let me share my screen. And pull up your slides. All right. So, like I said, this is our third grade math lesson for today, and today is September the 28th. Our learning target for today is that the student will practice using the number line to answer multiplication problems. So we have been working on the number line. This is more of a review and practice. All right, so here's our number line. And this is our problem that we're using the number line to solve. 5 friends wanted to trade video games. They each brought 3 games to trade. How many games were there in all? So let me grab my pen, which should have popped up, but did not. There it is. Okay, so we know that there are 5 friends or groups. We know that each friend brought 3 games. So each of those 5 friends came to their friend's house with 3 games in their hand, okay? And our question is, how many games were there in all? So we're trying to find out if all 5 friends put their games together in a pile, how many games are there going to be? Now, so we are going to be, our jumps will be 3 at a time because there are 3 games in a group. And we will have 5 groups. So we will have to jump that 3 5 times. All right, so before we do that, let's come up with our equation. Our equation is going to be the number of groups, which is 5, times the number in each group, which is 3. And we are looking for the answer to that equation. All right, so we start at the number 1. And we're going to jump 3, okay? So that's plus 3. That's our first group. Then we're going to jump another 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to be plus another 3. That's 2 groups. Remember, there's 5. Then we're going to jump again, another 3. And that's plus another 3. Okay, so that's 3 groups we have now. Then we're going to jump again for another 3. Okay, we're almost there. That's 4 groups of 3. And now here's our 5th group of 3. Whoop, Ms. Fogelman's jump almost didn't make it. Okay. All right, so we have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. And our last group landed on the number 15. So that means if they all put their games in a pile, there would be 15 games. Okay, the biggest part to remember here is that you're jumping the number in each group, and the number of times you jump is the number of groups. Okay, all right, so let me clear this off. And then we're going to go to the next screen, which I'm hoping it will do for me. Let's try stopping sharing. All right. So on this screen, which Ms. Fogelman just lost her chance to get her pen. On this screen, we're going to talk about the commutative property. Now, you don't need to know the name of the property, but I just want you to understand what it means. The commutative property says that no matter what the order of the numbers in an addition and a multiplication problem, so it's not in subtraction or division, only in addition or multiplication, the answer is the same. So whether we're saying, like we just had in the last problem, 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, both of those answers would be 15. Okay, so no matter what the order of the numbers, whether it's 5 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 5, the answer is 15. So this comes in handy when you want to possibly count by 5s. So instead of doing 5 times 3, you could do 3 times 5 and count by 5 3 times, which would be 5, 10, and 15. Okay, so we counted by 5 3 times, and we still got the same answer as we did on the problem on the slide before, which is 15. So no matter whether it's 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, it's the same answer. Does not matter what order the numbers are in. Now remember, that is only for addition or multiplication, not subtraction, not division. All right, good job today, guys. Let me clear my drawings. Have a good day.